Model, 2000 Iveco Daily 35S11LWB fully converted camper engine needs repair very nice. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 118,000. MOT, the 18th of June 2026. Engine, 2798 ccj7 AFQ. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, full conversion, all working including heating, fridge, shower, toilet, sink. Oven and solar panels, many new parts, brakes and suspension grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric hookup, sink, hob, fully fitted